Cool. All right, so I got my boy Nate here. I'm down in Florida, down in West Palm Beach, and I was working on my boy's truck, putting a 7.5-inch road country lift on it. And ye behold, I heard a 24 valve Cummins going down the road, and when I saw it, I told myself I had to get it on film. So here it is. I'm working against the sunlight. So we got Nate here. Nate, introduced to the channel.
How's it going, guys?
All right, man. Go ahead and let me know. Tell me what we're working with, brother.
It's a 1998 Dodge Ram 2500 24 valve Cummins.
Okay.
It's got 2006 axles, running gears, suspension, everything, you name it. Rear drive shaft, single aluminum, one piece.
Dang.
It's got the bath. It's just got a bath filter as an intake right now. 150 horsepower injectors. Stock VP. It's got the FOS 200 titanium series.
That's a big boy. That's a big pump.
It's got homemade traction bars.
Okay.
It's got an 8-inch lift, basically. It's a 5-inch spring with a 3-inch spacer.
Okay, okay. Hell yeah. What size tires you running?
37s on some old 20 by 12 Moto Metals.
It's all good. Damn.
Yeah, I mean, I picked it up as a project that didn't run.
Seriously?
Yeah.
What did you used to have, and then you told me earlier you had a 7.3 before?
Yeah, I had a 99 7.3.
Okay.
About 500 horsepower. It was fully built. It had Fuel Labs Fuel Bolt Elite, 60 over injectors. It was 160 cc's basically.
Oh man, it's badass. I fucking love it.
Pump, all of it. It was all done up.
So, in terms of what have you done? Because I know you like the axles and stuff. What
axles were already under the truck when I got it.
Okay.
I installed the FOS lift pump. I just did injectors today.
Let's check out the engine. Hell yeah.
Engine's green. This one makes it easier to get up there.
Oh yeah, I need me one of these. Shit. Woo.
But, yeah, I mean, I got the Quadzilla on there just for timing and the fuel to add it to help.
Does it make a difference?
Yeah, it really does.
Okay. Did you paint it? Did you do the lime green?
I did all the lime green.
That's clean. Is it powder coat or just regular?
Just regular paint. I heat treated it.
Oh, not in the oven?
Yeah.
Baked it?
Yeah.
That's what I did with my intake manifold.
Sometimes it comes out good. The whole engine's actually lime green.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
On the side. I had new intake custom made, but.
Hell yeah. Dude, I dig it, brother. And you just put 150 injectors?
Yeah, 150 horsepower injectors. They're just DAP injectors. But
DAP? Well, DAP makes good. They make good injectors, man. If it ain't DAP, I think it's Extra G or
I go with Dynamite Diesel.
That's
PDP.
That's another good one.
They're just expensive.
They are.
Last truck I had a 24 valve 98 1500. 5 lug half-ton axles all around. I put a 24 valve in it. Head studs, valve springs, shaved head.
You did fire rings and everything?
No, I didn't do any fire rings. Just some 4K governor springs.
That's still good.
500 horsepower. Had a Borg Warner 63 millimeter turbo.
Nice. Is this the stock HX or H? What is it? HX HY?
It's the HY35.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't get to it yet. It's gonna be next. I'm gonna go with probably like a cheetah.
Ooh, those things sound like a jet.
I heard.
Yeah, man. I watched videos of them. They sound like a jet when they take off.
I was thinking compounds for a minute, but I got a lot of bad. You can make a lot more power off just one big turbo.
You can, man. I mean, turbo technology has advanced so far, especially with Borg Warner. They got excellent products. I mean, now you can get, it's just like my truck. A lot of people, 50-50 with the 6.7s, they'll compound it on top of the stock, or they'll gut it, do a second gen swap, put like a fucking 464, 467, and I mean, they say they're burning tires in like 4th gear, so even though it's on like a 68 transmission, and they suck. Is it automatic, manual?
Yeah, it's automatic.
Automatic, so you got the 48 RE in it?
Yeah, 48 RE.
Okay, is that?
No, that's the 47 RE. I think you got the 48 RE.
No, I got the 68. So if I'm not mistaken, oh no, yeah, second gens were 47s. In 2003 is when they changed it to 48. I have the 68 RE because I got the 6-speed. So yeah, man, this is a badass truck.
Tranny's bone stock right now. I'm probably just gonna do a valve body and a triple disc converter with low stall or something.
Well, with these trans, I heard that these are much simpler to work on because they're mechanical, and I heard with these you can put a triple disc torque converter, valve body upgraded from like Suncoast or something. Yeah. They say you're
good holding.
You're good for easily. I mean, power driven diesel.
Yeah.
So they just did a thing where if you had a stock 24 valve VP44, they said if you entered the contest, just telling them why you should choose it, they would double the horsepower in your truck. Some cat from like Colorado got chosen. He drove all the way to wherever they're at in Utah somewhere, and they pretty much doubled his horsepower from 185 to like almost 400. They gave him a fully built transmission. Like, I'm like, damn, why can't that be me? You know? Heck yeah. So you think, can we get a startup and maybe, I don't know, you don't have to do a burnout or nothing, but maybe we can get some coal rolling or something? I don't know. This thing sounds badass.
I just got done putting in.
Oh yeah, you still got break-in period. Yeah. That sounds good right there. What's up? Are you gonna cook? Okay. You want me? Yeah, I can move. Yeah, man, I can move it real quick if you want. That thing sounds badass. But that thing bad. Midnight Rider.